Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit home on Apple Maps. You have to start by open Apple Maps application. And now we have the places, so right here we have work. And to edit it you can press and hold the work and then click Edit Details. Also, you can tap at the profile icon at the right side, then move to the Places, Saved Places, press and hold, and add a guide or a note, or share it. Okay, let's return to the main feed. So, Edit, and right here we can change the name for it, so it can be not work but something else. We can change the icon for it, and we cannot change the address. To change the address you need to remove your old work first and then add it again. And we can add a person, refine location on the map, or unpin it. It's up to you. And after you did it, click at the check mark at the right top, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!